So the check engine light came on in this 2007 Ford Escape, and I scanned the code, and it is a P0193, and that is the fuel pressure sensor. So in this video I'll show you how to change the sensor. And here's the part number in case you need to look this up. I will have a link in the description to where you can buy this. It's just 2 bolts, a plug, and a hose. The fuel pressure sensor deals with fuel pressure. So, you may get pressurized fuel spraying out from the sensor if you remove it before relieving the fuel pressure in the fuel lines. You can relieve the fuel pressure before taking off the sensor by pulling the fuel pump fuse, then cranking the engine over for a couple seconds. If it starts, let it run until it dies. Another note, don't do this on a hot engine, and wear safety glasses and preferably nitrile gloves. The only symptoms this vehicle was experiencing were the check engine light and diminished fuel mileage. It was getting about 15 miles a gallon when it should be in the 20s. Replacing this fixed the problem, and just having to replace a sensor or a solenoid is about as easy as it gets. So that's the first thing that you should replace, and then move on from there if it doesn't fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem with your Escape, there are many other YouTube videos about this problem that you can use to diagnose your issue further. After completing the replacement, I used my scanner to clear the check engine light code. I will have a link in the description to where you can buy an OBD2 scanner so that you too can scan codes. The code has not come back and the gas mileage has been restored. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when I upload. Hopefully this helped you out. Give the video a thumbs up if it did. Thanks again, and good luck with your Escape.